Hello everyone, a very fresh good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are fit and fine, right? So students, this is our fifth video lecture of EVS chapter number 5, soil. So as we all know that we completed our explanatory part of this chapter. So today we are going to start the exercises of this chapter. Yeah? So let's start. Okay. First one, objective type questions. Question A, fill in the blanks with the correct words. And this question number 1, dash mixes with humus to form dash. Sand or soil mixes with humus to form sand or soil. So the answer is sand. Sand mixes with humus to form soil. सैंड जो है वो ह्यूमस के साथ मिक्स होता है सोइल को फॉर्म करने के लिए. सैंड इज मिक्सेस विथ ह्यूमस टू फॉर्म सोइल. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डैश स्लिट और क्ले पार्टिकल्स आर द स्मॉलेस्ट सोइल पार्टिकल्स. सिल्ट और क्ले पार्टिकल्स आर द स्मॉलेस्ट सोइल पार्टिकल्स. सो द आंसर इज यस, क्ले. क्ले आर द स्मॉलेस्ट सोइल पार्टिकल्स. Question number 3, dash is the best soil for growing plants. Dash is the best soil for growing plants. Loamy or clay? Answer is loamy. Loamy is the best soil for growing plants, right? Because it has the very much humus in it, right? And all the nutrients. That is why loamy clay is the best soil for growing plants. Then question number 4, dash is very fertile because it contains humus. Dash is very fertile because it contains humus. Topsoil or subsoil? So the answer is topsoil. Topsoil is very fertile because it contains humus. Question number 5, soil can be dash by planting more trees, by building dams across rivers. Soil can be eroded or conserved by planting more trees or build dams across rivers. So the answer is conserved, right? Soil can be conserved by planting more trees and by building dams across river. Then question number B, choose the correct option. In that question A, which of this does soil contain? Which of this does soil contain? And your options are A, sand, B, remains of dead plants and animals, C, minerals, and D, all of this. Which of this does soil contain? So soil contains sands, also remains of dead plants and animals, and mineral. So answer is D, all of this. Soil contains all of these three options. Then question number 2, which of this refers to loamy soil? Which of this refers to loamy soil? A, it is the best for growing plants. B, it contains equal proportion of sand, clay and silt. C, it allows water to pass through easily. And D, all of this. So which of this refers to loamy soil? See students, loamy soil is the best for growing plants. Yes. It contains equal proportion of sand, clay and silt. Yes. C, it allows water to pass through easily. Yes, this is also correct. So the answer is D, all of this, right? Loamy soil refers all of this. Then question number 3, which of this refers to the remains of dead plants and animals to get mixed with soil? Which of this refers to the remains of dead plants and animals that get mixed with soil? And your options are A, sand, B, clay, C, humus, and D, gravel. So the answer is A, sand. Sand refers to the remains of dead plants and animals that get mixed with soil. आंसर इज ए सैंड. सैंड जो है वो सारे डेड प्लांट्स एंड डेड एनिमल्स के साथ मिक्सअप होने के बाद सोइल जो है उसको फॉर्म करता है. सो द आंसर इज सैंड. Then question number 4. Which of these layers can be easily washed away by strong winds and water? Which of these layers can be easily washed by strong winds and water? Options are A. Topsoil, B. Subsoil, D. Bedrock, and D. All of this. So the answer is topsoil. Topsoil can be easily washed away by strong winds and water, because topsoil is the uppermost layer of the soil. That is why it can be easily washed away by strong winds and water. Then question number 5. Which of this does not hold water at all? Which of this does not hold water at all? Options are A. Sandy soil, B. Clayey soil, C. Loamy soil, and D. None of this. And the answer is A. Sandy soil. Sandy soil does not hold water at all. Why? Because in sandy soil it contains more sand particles. That is why it does not hold water at all. Okay. Then the question number 6. Which of these help in protecting the soil from getting washed away? Which of these help in protecting the soil from getting washed away? And your options are A. Planting more trees and bushes, B. Avoiding planting of trees, C. Constructing dams to check the flow of rivers, D. Both A and C. So, which of these help in protecting the soil from getting washed away? So, it is D, both A and C. That means planting more trees and bushes, and C, constructing dams to check the flow of rivers. Right? These both can help to protecting the soil from getting washed away. Yeah. Then question number 7. Which of this soil is rough and gritty and does not become sticky when wet? Which of this soil is rough and gritty and does not become sticky when wet? Options are A. Sandy soil, B. Clayey soil, C. Loamy soil, and D. All of this. So the answer is A. Sandy soil. Sandy soil is rough and gritty and it does not become sticky when wet. Right? So the answer is A. Sandy soil. Then question number C. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. Question number 1. Plants and animals causes weathering of rocks. Plants and animals cause weathering of rocks. It is true or false? Yes, this statement is false. Plant and animals are not cause weathering of rocks. Right? Instead of that, the sun's heat, rain, storm, cold, all of these factors causes weathering of rocks. Okay. Question number 2. Plants gives us food and take in oxygen. Plants gives us food and take in oxygen. So, it is also a false statement because plants gives us food, that is right, but it cannot take in oxygen, right? Plants gives us oxygen. वो हमें ऑक्सीजन देते हैं. Plants gives us oxygen, not take in oxygen. So this statement is false. Then question number 3. Soil contains air and water besides minerals and other nutrients. Soil contains air and water besides minerals and other nutrients. So this statement is true. Yes, soil contains air and water besides minerals and other nutrients. Soil जो है वो air, water, mineral और nutrients सब उसमें include होता है. Right? Soil contain all of these things. So this statement is true. Then question number 4. Strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees decreases soil erosion. Strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees decrease soil erosion. So this statement is false because strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees, it increases the soil erosion, not decreases, right? All these activities increases the soil erosion. So this statement is false. Then question number 5. Trees and bushes should be planted to increase soil erosion. Trees and bushes should be planted to increase soil erosion. This statement is false because trees and bushes not should be planted to increase soil erosion, but it should be planted for decrease the soil erosion. Trees and bushes decreases the soil erosion, right? It cannot increase the soil erosion. So this statement is false. Then next question, very short answer type questions. A. Give one word for the following. In that question number 1, the process of breaking down big pieces of rock into smaller pieces by wind and water. The process of breaking down big pieces of rocks into smaller pieces by wind and water. Now this process is called what? It is called weathering. The process of breaking down big pieces of rock into smaller pieces by wind and water, it is called weathering, right? Then question number 2, the top layer of the earth's surface where plants grow. The top layer of the earth's surface where plants grow are called soil, right? Because the top layer of the earth's surface is soil, right? Where plants can grow. So this is soil. Question number 3, soil that does not hold water at all. Soil that does not hold water at all. So it is sandy soil. See students, sandy soil have the much more sand particles in it, right? Sandy soil has the more sand particles in it. That is why it cannot hold more water, right? So soil that does not hold water at all, it is sandy soil. Question number 4, soil that feels smooth when dry and lumpy and sticky when wet. Soil that feels smooth when dry, lumpy and sticky when wet. So it is clayey soil, right? Clayey soil feels smooth when dry and it feels lumpy and sticky when wet. Okay. Then question number 5, the removal of fertile topsoil by the actions of wind and water. The removal of fertile topsoil by actions of wind and water. It is called soil erosion. Students, जब wind और water की वजह से, right, when there is a storm or there is a flood, right, जब भी flood आता है, कोई storm आता है, then what will happen? The top soil of the earth, right, the top layer, the top soil, the fertile soil will be removed by the actions of wind and water. So this is called the soil erosion. This is called what? Soil erosion. Yeah. Then comes the question answer part that we will do in our next video session. Okay. Now turn the page. Here let's recall. Okay. So let's do this. Recall and complete the concept map given below. So we have to complete this concept, right? Soil. So we have to write down the types of soil. Then we have to write down the 3 composition of soil and the 3 layers of soil. Okay. What we have to write down? Types of soil, composition of soil and layers of soil. Okay. So let's start. First of all, types of soil. So sandy, clayey and loamy. So there are 3 types of soil: sandy soil, clayey soil and loamy soil. Okay. Then the composition. So there are 3 composition of soil: sand, silt and clay. Sand, silt and clay. Now in this, sand is the largest particle, right? Sand is the largest particle of soil. Silt is the bigger particle than clay and smaller particle than sand, while clay is the smallest soil particle. Sand are the largest soil particle, clay is the smallest soil particle, and where silt is the bigger than clay particles and smaller than sand particles. Okay, and the last one is layers. So there are 3 layers of soil: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. There are 3 layers of the soil: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock, right? See students, topsoil is the most fertile soil. Topsoil जो होती है वो सबसे fertile soil होती है, right? Then the subsoil, it is the middle layer of the soil. Subsoil are the middle layer, and the bottom layer of the soils are bedrock, right? So there are 3 layers of soil: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock, right? So what are the types of soil? Sandy soil, clayey soil and loamy soil. So students, in the sandy soil there are more particles of sand, right? Sandy soil में सबसे ज़्यादा particles किसके होते हैं? Sand के. So in the sandy soil there are more particles of sand. That is why it is called sandy soil. Then comes clayey soil. So in the clayey soil there are more particles of clay. In the clayey soil there are more particles of clay. So that means it is called clayey soil. And the last one is loamy soil. So in the loamy soil, the soil particles are in the equal amount, right? Loamy soil में sand, silt and clay have the same amount of the particles. Loamy soil में sand, silt and clay के same amount में particles होते हैं. So there are 3 types of soil: sandy soil, clayey soil and loamy soil. And there are the 3 composition of soil: sand, silt and clay. And there are 3 layers of the soil: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Okay, then let's observe. Label the different layers of a soil profile. Label the different layers of a soil profile. So students, here they given us one picture of a soil profile, right? So we have to label the layers, right? So here you can see this all are the soil, and here is the plant. Okay, so first one यहाँ पे देखो, this first layer of the soil profile, it is called topsoil. The first layer of the soil is called topsoil. See students, topsoil is the most fertile soil. Topsoil is the most fertile soil. Then the middle layer of the soil, the middle layer of the soil profile are called subsoil. The middle layer of the soil profile are called subsoil. It contains small size of pebbles. Subsoil contains what? Subsoil contains the small amount of pebbles and rocks. Okay, and the last one, the bottom layer of the soil profile are called bedrock. Now this bedrock layer contains big size of rocks or pebbles. Bedrock contains big size of pebbles. Here you can see this in the picture, right? So in the soil profile there are 3 different types of layer. There are 3 different types of layer of the soil. First layer of the soil are called topsoil, middle layer of the soil are called subsoil, and the bottom layer of the soil profile are called bedrock, right? So there are 3 layers of the soil profile: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Then the question number 2, look closely and name any 3 things that this soil contains. So students, here there is one picture. So look closely, and what you have to observe is we have to observe the things or any insects that soil contains. Okay, and we have to write down here. So here you can see this soil contains what? Soil contains pebbles, then dead plants, the ants, then mole, earthworms, right? All these things that soil contains. So you have to write down 3 things. So first one is earthworm. Then mole. And the third one is ant. Right? So write down earthworm, mole and ant. These three things that soil contains in this picture. Fine? Okay, so here students, our exercises of this chapter is over. And students, your homework for the day is you have to complete all this exercise in the textbooks. Okay? Here our exercise part is over. The question answers is remaining that we will do in our next video lecture. Fine? So if you have any query regarding any of this exercise, so you can ask or you can drop a message. Fine? Chalo. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. And also I will send you the PDF of all of these pictures so you can write. But please students, please learn first and then write it by yourself. Try to write it by your own self, right? Then check once by the PDF. Yeah? Okay. Bye bye students.